don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 0, Keswick Stars 0. Orlando Pirates is out via penalties. I'm joined by D50 Drive Infinity.
Tivo. Yeah. Thina senkingeni prior.
Man.
Ah, senkingeni.
Asinkingi umkhobholo. Amakhap. Umkhobholo. Umkhobholo amakhap. Akusinkinga le. Lesinkinga mfana. Usaya ku pain of the year.
Ah, senkingeni.
Akusukumele.
Ah, senkingeni.
Jelina ukuthandabuza.
I think Orlando Pirates is traumatized.
Yes.
We were traumatized by the Virgin breaker we Sipo chain. Yeah, I think le kia yabo le ne yelo le yana yabona. Virgin breaker bathula Sipo chain asihlalele kahle kuma white sheet wakhe asihlale kahle hoteleni. Kamnandi yangithola amnandi bambrokhulula uVirgin manje sizingena kuphela manje
Akuvulelwe no.
Sezingena kuphela manje. I don't know ukuthi le jersey labo leliyelo linani because mongabheka le abafana laba namuhla dewini abagcoke ngakhona bagcoke nje Mamelodi Sundowns marike yabo ifana ngathi Lipopo.
Yes, Lipopo.
Yangithola maybe ngathi ngabona umkuku or something. I don't understand. They were traumatized, these boys, Joe. I'm very disappointed, my brother. Ngidizela namuhla, Joe. Mawuthi yapeka, ucoach don't understand ukuthi why, my brother. Utito wenzeni? Utito wenzeni? Utito wenzeni? Uone ini utito? Uyangena utito? Uyakora. After 5 minutes uyamkhipha. Namuhla utito bekaloka yenza izinto mawuqeda umkhipha igame yakho always ukuthi wena uzokhipha utito ngo60 minutes always iphuma up lento leyo jo. I think ucoach right ucaba ngathi this is Marumo Gallants. I'm sorry Mr. Coach. I'm sorry. This is a big team guys. This is Marumo Gallants. Asilose kathi ngokulandelana futhi. Especially cup-ini. We are cup specialists. We are cup specialists. So we see igama lethu khona manje Brian. Igama selifile manje.
Sanifana nekhosi.
We are cup specialists Brian. Basazi sinjalo khona manje siwile ijumbo disappoint. Cabanga mi Brian like i-team engaka idlala iVodacom le phansi. Phela mina i-team engiyaziyo ukuthi ishayela ama-team amancane i1 top flight.
That's it.
Yabona le. Iyo team engiyaziyo ukuthi ishayela ama-team amancane la.
Manje izinto zitshintshile.
Sesitshintshile.
Manje
Maluti.
Imaluti yakushaya ngakhi 4.
Me bra.
Imaluti yakudla 4. Imaluti uyaya. Yamshaya 4. Kunetbank. So manje
Yeah, it's tough.
Bona, I don't understand ukuthi bona to sithatha ama-player umbulu umbekeleli ngaphandle mfowethu
umbatha yena
umbatha ngathi ulimele umbatha ulimele mara bana umaster chef umbekelani ngaphandle umaster chef umakhopho umbekelani ngaphandle umlungu asitenkinga nawe umlungu ungizwisise ekediye problem afana nje me second mlungu I don't have a problem with you my boss but you have not yet gelled with Orlando Pirates. I'm sorry. Come on, this striker, Brian. It's a hold. It's a midfield. We are a holder. It's a 10. I'm sorry. It's a false 9. Axi striker, man. I'm sorry. So we don't have a problem with you. I'm sorry, Malam. Net. Utatumlu. I think Orlando Pirates is a good game. Lena banda estimate the team lena. baze kule game lena banda esibetha le team lena khona manje basihlekisa ngabantu basihlekisa ngabantu sihleka isize Brian mara yazi ngicabanga ukuthi kwenzakalani vandag into yenzakele sizakhiphela ukuthukuthela kwethu next week angazi ukuthi sohlangana nobani nge-28 angazi ukuthi sohlangana nobani
igame yakho lalela mina singukutshela into eyi-one mfethu yazi into le bathi qhude manikiniki zindala zombili yiyo-ke leyo after school is after school we are waiting for that we'll show you flames baba we'll show you flames baba
FBI man of the match nivale njaya man of the match please
Tibo before it's man of the match ngathi la kubhakaniya ngathi la kubhakaniya ne inoku rival ma player man'wana kuna ti player to kufana na vo Shenko Kabelo Dlamini that one is a window breaker ma team ekufana lawa ayiwa langusela kuri hinga tlangana 120 minutes ne Kabelo Dlamini wala beka imrivele hinkwerhu u injury free u sharp mara ukwe ule henhla lena wasibona so ay game yofana namunhla ayitarini nge akuna leswi nga ta sola ito langusa mahlweni la itlangana kana vo mane bowler hi ya kwini
na mina rini vulavula kantsana wo sa mina ko sina vulavula akenthoka vulavula ayina nkinga jo sisaya phambili angithola prime mina of vision yami mfowethu ngipha usipho chain mfowethu uzamile uyenzile izinto usebenzile futhi upha kanjani Thibo upha kanjani ama defender ama penalty mfethu usibisi bisi undaba yo le out lenye labathuba le shayile sebenzani senodala kahle phela
makhosi bhek amabhakani yasiwafiwe nje ngizonifaka ngiyanicela ngiyanicela sekusela amancane makhosi ngiyanicela bashaya